Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to draw a Minecraft Zilla. Now to start off with this, I'm going to draw the bottom jaw first. So I'm going to make kind of like a rectangle that's going at an angle. So I'm going to start right about here. I'm going to draw a line that goes down at an angle. It's going to come back like this. And then I'm going to draw a line just to connect it. Now, right over here, I'm going to draw a straight line across. I'm going to make a line that goes up. It's going to come over and then down to here. Now, right inside of here, I'm going to draw a little rectangle for the eye. I'm going to add a little line down, and then I'm just going to color this part in. Then inside of here, I'm going to add some little kind of square rectangle shaped teeth. Then right here, I'm going to draw a little line down and then a line that goes over. And then I'm going to connect them. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes across. Then I want to make the arms. To start off, I'm going to draw a long, skinny rectangle right here. Then I'm going to draw another one that goes down, over, and then it's going to come up to here. And then I'm going to draw one that goes down, over, and then up. Then I'm going to draw this line down. It's going to go over. I'm going to come right to about here. And then I'm going to draw the leg. So I'm going to start by drawing a nice big rectangle. It's kind of going at an angle. I'm going to draw another one that goes down, over, and then up. And then I'm going to draw a line that goes over, it's going to go down, it's going to come back, and then go right up here. Then I'm going to draw a line that's just going to go down here. And I'm going to see a little corner kind of pop out there. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go out. It's going to come down, and then it's going to go over. I'm going to draw another one just a little bit smaller inside here, and I'm just going to kind of continue repeating this just so the tail gets smaller and smaller. And we're just going to keep doing this over and over till we get to the end right about there. Now, I want to draw the spikes on here. So to do this, the spikes are going to be kind of at an angle. So I'm going to draw a line that goes up. It's going to go out at an angle like this. I'm going to go up like this. I'm going to come down and then down here. Then same thing, up like this. And I'm just going to kind of keep repeating these. I'll start making them a little bit smaller back here. And when I get down to here, I'm just going to start making them smaller. And then eventually I'm just going to make these little shapes like this. But I'm also going to put a couple little small shapes right here on the neck too. Now right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes out and then down for a little claw. And then I'm going to do the same thing up here, and I'm going to put another one right behind it. I'm going to draw a little line that goes down. It's going to go over to here. Another little one that goes out and down, and then another one here, just to give it a little more three-dimensional look. I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm going to go out. I'm going to come down here into here. I'm going to go right down to there, just to give it a little more three-dimensional look, and we'll cover up that line right there. Then right here, I'm just going to draw some little lines that just go down like this, just to add a little more detail onto our MINECRAFT Zilla. And you won't really see much of these lines on the smaller ones, but I'm just going to add a few. Then I'm going to draw a little line that just goes down here. I'm going to connect it to here, and then I'm going to add it onto the tail right there. Then right up here, I'm going to add a little square for the nostril. And then underneath here, I'm going to add just a couple little kind of square shapes for some detail underneath the neck there. And there you go. There is your drawing of a MINECRAFT Zilla. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.